Well, as Kim just mentioned, we now know this morning's armed carjacking of an off-duty officer in southwest Detroit is connected to the manhunt of Kyle Cherry.
Simon Shaquette is tracking that angle of this breaking news story. He's live in the newsroom. So, Simon, what can you tell us?
That carjacker did not seem to know he was targeting an off-duty officer at Clark and West 4th Street, and the entire ordeal was caught on video. It was about 2:30 a.m. as the officer who works outside the city stopped at this station to buy something. As he returns to his black-colored Dodge Ram pickup truck, a carjacker quickly approaches from the bottom of the screen, pulling out a handgun and forcing the victim to get out. The off-duty officer cooperates, tossing his keys on the ground. He exits his truck and runs inside the shop. Soon after, Detroit police arresting that carjacker without incident in Melvindale. Keep in mind that stolen Dodge truck had the officer's weapon, body armor, and other valuable police equipment inside. The driver of that white minivan, who also allegedly took part in this, was on video inside the station making a purchase as well. Notice he does not appear to pay much attention to the surveillance camera inside the shop. Police also say the pair involved could be tied to another carjacking from Monday night. Again, Kyle Cherry, that minivan driver, is still at large. Terrific work by Detroit police earlier making that arrest of the suspected carjacker. Live in the newsroom, Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News. Alan, Glenda.
All right, Simon, thank you. And of course, we will continue.